Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a very special video for you guys. I have a very special unboxing. I am just absolutely thrilled with today's video and I really can't believe this has happened. I am unboxing a Teddy Blake bag. They gifted me this bag and I am beyond thrilled. I am so excited, and if you want to see what bag I chose and if you want to hear my thoughts about this wonderful brand, Teddy Blake, stick around. Alright, so I just want to say that when I first started my channel, I used to watch Teddy Blake unboxings all the time, about 3 years ago, and I would think to myself, oh my goodness, I would be absolutely beyond thrilled if they ever sent me a bag. So here I am 3 years later and I'm absolutely thrilled that they reached out to me, you guys. I get so many offers and most of them I turn down. I do very few of them because it has to be something that I love, and I know you've heard other YouTubers say it and so have I, but I really do mean that, and I love Teddy Blake. As a matter of fact, about 3 years ago, I bought two beautiful bags. One of them I still have, and I will show it to you at the end of the video. But I was absolutely thrilled when I got the email that they wanted to gift me a bag. And so I went on the website to choose the bag of my choice. And I just want to tell you guys about the brand. If you're not familiar with Teddy Blake, do go to the website. I will link everything in the description box below. And you can go to the website, check them out, check out all the beautiful styles. But before I get any further into this video, I want to go ahead and unbox the bag that I chose. Alright, so here is the box that my bag came in. This is a true unboxing, you guys. I've had it up here for a few days and I just opened up the box. So it comes in this white Teddy Blake of New York. So it is a New York based company. And these bags are made of Italian leather and they're actually crafted in Italy. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this lovely box. So it is a magnetic closure box, and when you open it up, this is what you have. So I'm going to go ahead and get the bag out. I'm so excited. I really can't believe that they have reached out to me because I'm not trying to sound, you know, corny or anything like that, but I have always loved their bags. And like I said, I've purchased a couple of them myself in the past. So to be recognized as a influencer and to be offered a bag like this is a dream come true for me. I honestly mean that. So let's go ahead, open it up. So it's packaged beautifully. So we'll go ahead and take this bubble wrap off. And take it out, and you have the Teddy Blake of New York dust bag. It's very soft. It feels very luxurious. You know, a lot of companies will send bags in cheap dust bags. This is a very luxurious feeling. It feels a lot like a Louis Vuitton dust bag. It is a drawstring. And if you see me looking down, I did make some notes because I really don't want to leave anything out. So the bag I chose is this gorgeous, it's an 11-inch Kim Croco bag. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this bag. Look at it. They do not skimp on details. They do not skimp on quality. This is a luxurious, luxury handbag at an affordable price. So like I said, if you are not familiar with Teddy Blake, you have to go on the website. I already have a couple of other bags in colors that I have been looking at, and I actually almost bought this one in orange, but I could not resist this. It looks so classy. This black croc with the gold hardware. You guys, the hardware is absolutely stunning to look at in person. You know, it does remind you a bit of a Kelly bag. I wanted to get something that looked classy, that looked like a classic, and I'll always remember Teddy Blake gifted me with this beautiful bag. I am just so humbled and thankful for this bag. So let me go ahead and show you. It opens up like this. You just turn that. So it is packed on the inside. I'm going to take it out. This is the 11-inch. It retails for $850 at 40% off. This gorgeous bag is $509. That's affordable. That is a really good price. So with Teddy Blake, you are definitely getting a luxury handbag without paying for the luxury label. So it's just an open hole. Now this one is not really large, but it's big enough to carry your essentials. It does have a pocket in the back. The inside of the bag, if you can see that, it's like that suede, that beautiful suede feel. And then it has the croc. This is a Italian leather handbag, you guys. Here is the logo, Teddy Blake. I am blown away that they offered me this bag. Now, this bag also comes with a shoulder strap. So let me open this and show you the shoulder strap. So I went ahead and I put the shoulder strap on, and it attaches right here at the top. And the strap is adjustable, as you can see here. And it's also made of the croc leather. So I'm gonna try this on for you and show you what it looks like on me. You guys, I am thrilled. And this bag smells so expensive. This is definitely a luxury handbag without paying the luxury prices. If you look on the website, you will see there are an array of styles and colors and different leathers. There's smooth leathers, there's more pebbled leathers, and then I just fell in love with this croc style because I don't have anything like this. And to be honest with you, I will probably use this bag most of the time with a top handle because I think it's a really classic look. Okay, so not only does Teddy Blake have all these colors to choose from, you guys, I love this, but I'm kind of shocked that I didn't go for a bright orange because I was so tempted. But I'm thinking about getting a small bright orange bag next. Not only do they have all these colors and all these leather choices, much like but they also have all these different styles. You have just about every style that you could wish for. They have totes. They have totes that would be perfect for a work bag. You can get them all in different sizes. And like I said, you can even get this one in a tiny little, I think this is the 11-inch. I think you can get it in like, I think it's an 8-inch and also a 14-inch. So I'm thinking about getting a little tiny orange one, you guys. It was so pretty. I almost got it, but I just had to get this one. But they have just about everything that you could look for. They have bags that would be perfect for evening bags, everyday bags, work bags, as I said. So do check out their website. All right, so let's do a mod shot. I will probably carry this bag like this. I love this look. I'm obsessed with this look because it is just classic. It is beautiful. It's the perfect size. Now, if you want something a little bit bigger, of course, you could go with the 14-inch. I'm going to put it on my shoulder. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's so pretty, this black with the gold. I think it goes great with white. I mean, you could wear this bag with just about anything. I would wear this bag with a pair of jeans and a jacket, a blazer, a dress like I'm wearing today. You can dress it up and down because I think classic styles are so versatile, and that's one reason I chose this style. So the back of it looks like this. Here's the tag, Teddy Blake of New York. Look at that bag. This is a $2,000 bag, you guys. They could easily command those prices for these bags because the stitching is immaculate. The hardware, they have cut no corners in making these bags. They pride themselves with luxury handbags without the luxury price tag, and I really appreciate them for this, and I really appreciate them sending this bag to me. I'm so thrilled to be able to share this with you guys. And earlier, when I was a YouTuber in the beginning, I did a Teddy Blake video on my own with the 2 purchases that I made. So what I'm going to do is also link that older video in the description box below, along with all of my information that you need to check out these bags. They are on sale quite a bit, so you just cannot go wrong with a Teddy Blake bag. All right, so I wanted to show you my Teddy Blake bag that I bought about 3 years ago. Is it beautiful? Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so gorgeous. Every time I have ever carried this bag, I have gotten so many compliments from this bag, and this little charm is something that my friend Maddie, hello Maddie, sent this to me, and this bag is magnificent. Now this bag has since been discontinued, but I love it. It's a classic style. Do you see a bit of a theme going on here? They're basically the same type of style, the top handle with the strap. This one is the smooth, more pebbled leather. It almost looks like Togo leather with the gold hardware. And then this croc one, I just could not resist this croc. So beautiful. So again, this one is the Kim Croco in 11 inches. So with these Teddy Blake bags, you guys, I have carried this bag quite a bit. The quality is in the detail. The quality is in the hardware. The quality is in the stitching. This bag, like I said, is over 3 years old, and it still smells like leather. Now this one's a little more malleable, a little softer, but this one I got it because I thought it would be a great bag for going out, for evening. So I would like to say in closing, thank you so much to Teddy Blake for gifting me with this absolutely gorgeous bag. I will treasure her forever. She will last forever because these bags are made to last a lifetime. And I'm very honored and humbled to represent this lovely brand, Teddy Blake. I feel like they have the customer's best interest. They have a wonderful customer service. Just check out the website and see all that they have to offer. I'm truly thankful to be able to represent this lovely brand that I have admired for so many years now. Thank you so much, Teddy Blake. I hope you guys do check out the website. I hope you find something beautiful that you love. If you have a Teddy Blake bag, or if you've tried Teddy Blake in the past, leave me a comment in the comment section below. I would love to hear your comments and your opinions on this lovely luxury brand. They also have all kinds of accessories to go with the bags. They have beautiful charms like initial charms. They have wallets. They have small card holders to match your bags. Thank you all for watching. Check out the website. Let me know what you think. If you do have a Teddy Blake bag, if you've purchased one in the past, let me know what you think about them, because if you haven't tried them, you absolutely have to, because they are definitely a luxury handbag without the luxury price. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.